YouTube! Troystarz, trucking. Thanks for tuning in. So in this video, something new, something fresh, something for something for the kids. But I know most of you guys have kids, right? I don't have any kid as yet, any child as yet.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.
Anyways, you know what I mean. I'm gonna work on something. I don't want you guys to be saying anything right now, okay? So this is what's going on. I am supporting a friend. She don't even know that I'm doing this, right? Because she launched her storybook, and I to be honest, I don't know if I know anyone that write a book. She's on my Facebook page, and I saw that she launched for the 26th. She was sharing it, you know what I mean? Her books, children book is coming out. I don't have any kids, but I buy all three of them. All three storybooks, guys. All three storybooks. I bought them because I'm supporting, right? I'm gonna give this to my niece or my nephew, or I'm gonna even take them for myself and read, right? Or put them aside until you know what I mean, until the little one come along. First storybook we're gonna look at is, it says, My Dad, the Superhero. Look at it. My Dad, the Superhero, right? That's one of the book that she launched, right? The other book is Color Me Coco. Look at it. Color Me Coco. Right? We're gonna talk more in depth. Maybe we go inside and read one of the books and see what it's like. This one says, Mom, can you tell me a story? See, Mom, can you tell me a story? And you look at it, it says, Lost Little Lion Cub. Look at it, guys. Mom, can you tell me a story? But anyway, these are the three books that she have, right? And I'm supporting. That's what I'm doing. So this is it. Okay. All right. So basically, this storybook is, you can see she's the author of the book. She have her picture and about her at the back of the book, right? So what she have around here is about the author, Latoya. So it says, Latoya is an elementary school teacher. I don't even know that she was a teacher. See? Latoya is a school elementary teacher that found her love in storytelling at the age of 16. Her passion for children and ensuring that they were engaged in learning has inspired her to create numerous children books that captivate and excite the young mind. Okay. So she said she connect. Okay, the young mind. My mind is so young. I'm gonna read this book to see what's going on. So guys, let's go to the book for a minute. Like I said, I'm gonna leave the link for these books in the description so you can go ahead and support Latoya. You know what I mean? You don't have to know her. I know her, and you're like, okay, Troy, you know her. I did. Most of the time you buy things, you don't even know the author, you don't even know. So I'm bringing this to you guys as she just started doing this, the 25th. And I just did do a review on a candle the other day. That girl start doing that thing on Boxing Day or something. She start, you know what I mean? So we're gonna start this new year different. We're gonna start supporting people that we know, people that is small business, people that is coming up with something that they sit down and they try doing. You know what I mean? Even your friend, you don't have to be these books, but your friend that you know what I mean? And, support the link. Do what we're supposed to do all this time, because sooner or later, you yourself is going to want to try something. You are going to want to open something. And the same love that you put out there, you never can tell, because these people don't know me, right? Well, I don't even know me, but nevertheless, so written by Latoya Belfon. So we're gonna see if the storybook is what it is. Just captivate the young mind. You know my mind already. So let's go inside here. Okay, it said this book is dedicated to my son, Kai E. John, and my loving husband, Kyle John. Okay, so it's dedicated to our son and our husband. Okay, those guys her son and her husband supposed to be proud, eh? She dedicated. So you see, she sit down in the house and she like, you know what, I'm on quarantine. You know what, I'm just gonna write some books and use up the time that I have. And she dedicated to her son and her husband. So she's thinking. So she's getting out there, guys. Come on, let's go in it. Okay, so spinning the page of the book. So when I spin the page of the book, first thing it says is this book belongs to a special reader. Their name is, I'm going to write my name in there. I'm going to tell you that right now, guys. I'm going to write my name. I'm going to put Troy right there. Special reader. I don't care what you guys going to say. This is my book. I bought it already. So it's like, Mom, can you tell me a story? Little Lost Lion Cub. Okay, all right. Okay. Spin a page. Let's get into it. Okay. So when you spin, so she even have some characters in there. You know what I mean? So I guess this is Kai. Okay, so you guys look at it. You have some characters and some pictures in there. So let's go through this for a minute, maybe a couple pages. I'm not gonna read it off because if I do, then you guys be like, "Oh, we hear the story already." No, it's not gonna. No. Okay, so this is it. Every night before bed, Kai loves to read stories. He go to his bookcase and pick out his favorite story books. Patiently, he would sit on his bed and wait for his mom or dad to start story time. Okay, so Kai pick out the books and go on the bed and sit down and wait on mom. Okay, cool, all right. Some nights they would read him 2 or 3 or even 4 stories before bed. Kai never wanted story time to end. Okay, so Kai likes stories. No one didn't tell me a story. I didn't. Well, my mom or my dad, I didn't have a father though, but my mother didn't tell me any story. Anyway, I'm kind of get jealous of Kai. Kai gets storytelling every night. Okay, during story time, Kai would giggle to himself as he imagined the characters dancing and doing things that were not a part of the story. He had a big imagination. Okay, so Kai's the type of person that he'll hear something and create his own thing. So Kai will be there. I'm getting interested. The book is getting interesting. So Kai's there laughing and giggling and creating his own fairy tales in his mind and be like, okay, you know what I mean? All right, Kai. Okay, I feel you. Okay, all right. So when I spin the book, I can see like Kai looking at the bookshelf, right? Kai's there looking at a bookshelf. It's like Kai's inside a house. You know what I mean? If you can look at the book, you will see Kai's standing inside his room or his hallway or whatnot, looking. Okay, it's not look. I like it. Okay. Anyway, one night Kai went to his book case and realized he didn't have any new books to read. His mom had read each story to him over and over again. Kai's mom came into the room and saw that he did not have a pile of books waiting to be read like he usually did. Okay, so this family here grew Kai as the old school, no tablet or phone, or that nowadays kids are doing now, tablets and phone and all that. No one is reading them the story. So Kyle is back to the original. You used to read storybook when you were younger coming up. So Kai is that type of person. Kai is living that life that this is where we should bring our kids. But you know what, guys? Go and support this book. Go and support and buy a storybook for your kids. You see, right now, Kai is out of a storybook, okay? And I also hear that on her page was showing that she do audible. Like she read the story to you guys. And she's from Grenada. Grenada or Guyana? She's from Grenada or Guyana. I'm not sure, but I know she's from one of those islands, right? Kim, that do the candle, is from Jamaica. So she's from Grenada or Guyana. Hopefully I have it right. I'll put the correct where she from so that you can know. Anyway, no story tonight, little one, said mom. Mom come inside the room now. Mom, like mom. So no story tonight, little one, said mom. I need new books. We have read these story a million jillion times. Kai say a million jillion times. No, Kai can read the story himself. Jillian, I never seen Jillian in a storybook before. Maybe I need to read some more books. Anyway, million jillion times. We have. So mom. So this is mom. This is mom. We have with some question marks. So mom is like she's frightened. Like we have. Like she don't know. She knows she read off all the books. So we have. Okay, then tomorrow we can go to the bookstore and buy new books. So mom is there with her hands behind her. So mom is kind of tricky now, you know. So mom is behaving like she don't know that all the books are, she read off all the books already. And she think Kai, you know, is not going to catch up on her. So she's there. And Kai eyes are open. Look, Kai eyes are open. Like Kai is saying, what is mom saying, you know? Anyway. Okay, so this is it. So, but for tonight, let's try and pick out a book together. What about story of the cookie and the chocolate mousse? That story made me hungry, mom. He said, laughing. That story made me hungry, mom. Anyway, that story made me hungry, mom. I want to hear a new story. I guess that this is what Kai said. I want to hear a new story. Mom looked at her eager boy eyes as he asked. So mom was, okay. All right, so this page now you can see like mom, Kai is looking at the storybook shelf again. Mom have a book in her hand. So you guys can see like mom is there with a book in her hand. Kai is looking at the bookshelf. On the other page, Kai is under his purple blanket. And mom is, okay, so let me see. It says, Mom, can you tell me a story? Mom said, I can try, little one. Kyle hugged his little purple blanket as his mom began her story of the lost lion cub. Okay, so mom find a story which is the lost lion cub. So mom is gonna read this story to Kai, lost lion cub. Okay, I'm not gonna go through all the books. So let me see how the lost lion cub started, so we can see if we can continue or we can just, you know, we don't want to talk out all. We know where this is going, right? So, mom, okay, this is it. So mom start reading. A little lion cub was sitting under a big cagilia tree. I don't know what's a cagilia tree. Anyway, I need to look it up. A big cagilia tree. He enjoyed the shade of the cagilia branches, the warm Sanaran breeze, or I guess that's from African breeze, and the laughter of his brothers. Okay, so I guess the brothers are some little tiger cubs. He saw a herd of zebras galloping by, scaring away the chatty vultures. Okay. So the vultures are there talking to themselves, and the zebras run past, and the vultures scattered away. Usually, this would be enough for the little lion cub to enjoy his day. But today, it wasn't. He let out a big sigh. You know, like I'm bored, you know what I mean? He let out a big sigh. He was bored and wanted to do something new. Okay, so the lion cub is bored and wants to do something new. Okay, soon a little purple butterfly fluttered by and caught his attention. The little lion cub started to playfully chase the butterfly. Okay, so he finds something that entices him now. So he's gonna run down butterfly. Okay. Before he knew it, he was so far away that he could no longer see his mom, dad, or hear his laughter of his brothers. Yeah, this does sound good. Little lion cub look like him the too far. The little lion cub look like he's too far. Okay, the little lion cub don't realize he had followed the butterfly deep into the swampy green African jungle. The trees were tall and covered the sun. He could hear monkeys squealing far off in the distance. People, this don't sound good. This sound like Lion King. Okay. He called out his mom and dad, but didn't hear them respond. I guess he's like, "Row, row." Nobody respond. Okay. Little Lion Cub knew he was no longer close to home. Oh, sad. Oh man. So look at it now. Cub on the other page, Kai mom is reading the story, so you can see Kai under his blanket and everything. And on the other side you can see where the lion cub is there in the jungle last. So there are some pictures there to show you what's going on along with the story. Okay, let me look at the other page and see. Let me see if any more pages. I don't want to read too much of this. Come on. Story is getting very interesting. I don't want to read all the story for you. Anyway. Okay, now let me go back around here so that you can follow with the story. It says, he called out to his mom and dad, but didn't hear them respond. Little Lion Cub knew he was no longer close to home. I had never been this far into the jungle before, he thought to himself. I think I'm lost. I wonder what Kai is thinking right now. Kai maybe be, I don't know. Anyway, I think I'm lost. He didn't like the feeling. He began lost and wondering what he should do. He smiled as he remembered what his dad had taught him about the jungle. You know what? You guys want to know what he taught you about the jungle, so I'm not going to give you any more. Because if I give you any more of this story, you guys are going to be like, okay, we get the storybook already. But anyway, go ahead and you can check out this book, guys. Buy it for your kids. Buy it as a gift. You know what I mean? This is just me, Troystarz, supporting some young people that are going to say small business coming out, doing their thing. You know what I mean? And I saw it and I'm going to support it. Well, I did support it because I buy 3 candles and I buy 3 books. You know what I mean? But anyway, I want to tell Latoya Belfon. Hold on, sorry. Let me look at the name again. Latoya Belfon. Your storybook is very interesting, and I'm gonna read Dad the Superhero, and I'm gonna read Color Me Coco. You know what I mean? Thank you for, thank you for what? What I'm gonna thank you for? Thank you for the story, yeah, because thank you guys for tuning in. It's the boy Troystarz talking. If you like this video, please leave me a like. You know what I mean? Please subscribe if you're not already. And big up to everyone that is out there trying to do something different. You know what I mean? And you know what I mean? Go and support the book. Like I said, it's gonna be in the description. Thank you guys once again. Troystarz talking. Respect and thanks. I'm gonna go off to my journey now. I'm gonna leave today. I'm going to pick up a load from Montreal, and I'm gonna go to Georgia to make my delivery. But anyway, thank you guys for tuning in once again. Peace. Respect.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.